Is a trip to IKEA really a trip to IKEA without getting a hot cup? What's up everyone, it's Derin here, welcome back to my channel, or if you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. As I'm sure you can see by the title, today's video is going to be a university shopping vlog. I filmed one of these last year when I was a fresher and you guys really loved that video, so I thought I'd carry on the tradition and show you guys what I pick up for my dorm room this year as I'm entering my second year of university. So right now we are at IKEA. Did you even go back to uni shopping if you didn't stop off at IKEA? So we're gonna pick up some bits for my room there, and then as I did last year, we'll also be going to Wilkinson's and Asda Living to pick up some extra bits. So I'm really excited about that. Just like last year, I'm accompanied by my mum and we are gonna be doing back to uni shopping together. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So our first mission is to get a bedside table, and I think we found them. The trouble is we don't know what colour to get. So in my new accommodation, the wood is quite dark, but we can't tell if this will be too light or if that will be too dark. A dilemma. Next up we're going to go with some drawer dividers. Storage dividers are such a life hack if you have limited space at uni, so that will definitely be coming in handy. I think I have slightly less wardrobe space in this accommodation than my last one, so I'm hoping that that will help out a bit. This is so unnecessary, but I'm already sold. Oh, fancy seeing you here. Guys, can we deep that I have to buy new oven gloves? Like, I burnt my oven gloves in the oven. Did you know that was possible? Me neither. Got all of the wine glasses on deck. University essentials. Me on a Saturday night. So we're making progress. We've got like all of the kitchen stuff sorted, and now we're going more into the home section. So we have a problem. We found the mirror that I wanted. It's like this really cool black one with a stand, but my mum doesn't think that we'll be able to fit it in my car, so I'm low-key stressing. So now we're in my favourite part of IKEA where you get all of the plants. This year I want to get a floor plant. I'm just figuring out which one I want to get. So we've gone with this bad boy. Ow, I literally just poked myself in the eye. So we've pretty much got everything. We're just going to go downstairs to pay. I just met a subscriber here. Like, I actually can't get over that. She was so lovely. So it's fair to say that IKEA was a success. I got pretty much everything that I wanted apart from the mirror. Now we are heading over to TK Maxx, Asda Living and Matalan to get the final bits. We're having an IKEA mukbang. I've got some of their cookies and I'm just going to talk with you guys. Okay mum, thank you. Okay, I have some biscuits, but basically I was just saying to my mum how I was getting so over... I was just saying to my mum like how I can't believe like the time to move in has finally happened. I've been counting down this date for like the whole of summer, and now that it's actually happening tomorrow, I feel like it's too much is going. As a lot of you guys know, if you follow me on my Instagram, you know that my mum and I recently just came back from the south of France. It was such an amazing trip, so if you guys would like to see more of that, you can go on my Instagram. I know a lot of you guys wanted me to vlog the trip, but I just wanted to spend some quality time with my mum. It's like cute. But a lot of you guys have been asking me about my outfits on the trip, so I thought I'd quickly mention it here on my channel. I actually received pretty much everything that I wore on the trip by SHEIN. SHEIN is one of my favourite websites. I've worked with them before and they have amazing pieces that are really trendy and really great quality. So I'll have the dresses and outfits that I wore in the description box down below if any of you guys want the direct links. I'm not cool enough on Instagram where you have that swipe up thing, so I couldn't do it on there, so I just thought I'd put it on here for you guys. It's basically when you eat and talk to me. In Matalan honestly have like such amazing back to school stuff. I'm just gonna get like my kitchen stuff. That song was so distracting. I'm just gonna get like my kitchen stuff here and some bathroom stuff, so hopefully they have me covered. And then on to the final store. So I'm in Asda for like my kitchen stuff now. As I mentioned in my last university shopping vlog, Asda Living literally have such good stuff. We are officially done, guys. That was exhausting. I am running off of 4 hours sleep because I was filming and editing all night, and tonight I'm gonna edit this video as well. So the grind really does not stop. But as I promised at the start, I will show you guys a haul when I'm back home. Wait, I'm actually creasing. So we just got home and me and my mum looked at the stuff in the car and we were like, you know what? We're not gonna take this out of the car. So we're just gonna take this car up to my halls tomorrow. We're not gonna bother taking anything out. It's just making life a lot harder for ourselves. So I'm just gonna get out of the car and give you guys a quick haul of everything that we got. Now I've come to the back, I'm like, okay, I don't really see how this is gonna work. But to give you guys an overview, I've got stuff for my kitchen. So I've got like a kettle, and then I also got us a little tray to put random stuff in. So that is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me whilst I did university shopping and having a little glimpse of what I got. As I mentioned at the start of the video, I'll be uploading my move-in vlog on Wednesday. So if you aren't already subscribed and you want to see that, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed, make sure to turn on your post notifications. But that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!